Veeam One, it monitors, it's part of Veeam Data Platform. And we would be remiss if we didn't mention that Veeam Backup for Microsoft 365 just took a major release, version 8, and monitoring of that is now in scope as well. And I think that's really important because this is a very important scalable release for the M365 product.
Yeah, and they always say, keep old, make new friends, but keep the old. If we're going back to our best friends analogy, sorry, we're going back to our best friends analogy. You got to keep new friends, make new friends, and keep the old. So with being back up for Microsoft 365, the new platform support, some of the features that it has introduced, if Veeam One is going to be able to support that and provide visibility. So if you're using proxy pools, you'll be able to monitor those proxies and make sure they're working correctly, Linux proxies, and ensuring that data resilience piece, checking immutability and getting reports about that as well.